Good morning, everyone. I'm just simply going to show you a demo of how to use Instay, our online platform where students can find accommodation. Essentially, you are met by the landing page, find verified student housing near your campus. As you scrape it down, you're able to see featured properties. As you scroll further, you would see the universities we cover. As you scroll down, simple step-by-step process, and finally, pictures just to show you what we've done so far throughout our journey. Back to the video. If there's a property you like, then simply click on that property. For example, I'll click search for your university. Once that's clicked, I'm met by different universities we are currently saving. So for example, I am at Unila Silverest. I'll simply click Unila Silverest and I'll be met by properties that are around that particular university. So next, I'll pick which I prefer. I'll simply click that property here, and then I'm able to see all details about this particular property. We took it a step further to take videos at every property. We noticed students were requesting for that, so we took it a step further to take videos of every property, which you see a second from now. And I've noticed there's an overflow on this page. I think that's something I didn't notice because most of our users are using the mobile version. So I'll work on that. I've noticed the page is overflowing, but that can simply be worked on. So essentially, as seen before here, we have a video. We always ensure we take a video of every property.
Hello everyone, my name is
This
Marco
was me.
and we are at
I'm not
Luna
sure if
Boarding
I
House.
but I took
One of the
the
top
stage.
boarding houses here at Silverest. Looking at the amenities, we have Wi-Fi,
So
solar,
the video goes
Starlink,
on
and everything you might want.
explaining about the property. And then once you are ready to contact this landlord and you are happy with the place and everything, you simply click contact landlord. Once that's done, you simply are prompted to sign up. Once you sign up, once you go back to contact the landlord, you are required to pay a fee for access to this information. Essentially, students are paying for accountability. If anything goes wrong, we're here to assist. Besides that, we're able to assist them throughout the entire, whenever they want to change housing later on in the following months. The subscription plan or the service fee plan covers that. Of different subscription plans or service fees depending on that particular customer. Since we noticed we had different customer segments that were using our platform, we had international students, we had students that are familiar with areas, and we also had students that um, aren't familiar with specific areas. So we created three pricing plans targeted to different student segments. I think that's an overall of what Insta is. We are just trying to build a safer environment for students to easily find accommodation without having to worry. So that's why we built Insta, because I personally struggled as well. So essentially, that's what we are building at Insta. You could see quite a number of properties that we have. We have properties at Unza, we have properties at Cavendish, Unilas, and quite a number of universities at key areas. I forgot to mention we also have a chat-based feature here, essentially for students that prefer to use the chat-based approach. It's simply the same thing we did in the previous section, but this is just more of a simpler experience because students kept on asking us on WhatsApp same questions over and over, so we thought of implementing it so that it's easier for them as well. So it's really quick, simple to use, and then everything should be displayed. Every property should be displayed for students to see. They can simply contact the landlords and secure properties. I think that's what we're building at Instay, and I hope we could get into this accelerator. Thank you very much. That's it.